If you want to only bring a few items to hiking or other outdoor activity, a tactical fanny pack might be an ideal option over a burdensome large backpack. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical fanny packs on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Essential Tactical Fanny Pack. I was looking for a small bag to hold my S&WM and P40 cal, just like my previous Voodoo Tactical Fanny Pack, and Essential had me at this model. Essential is a tactical fanny pack designed to keep a large framed handgun and a few supplies. This men's tactical fanny pack has maul straps on both sides, making it convenient to carry an extra water bottle or walkie-talkie. Even with the extra gear, this pack still fits my hip nicely. I love the large main compartment of this small fanny pack because besides fitting a large handgun, it can fit my cash and other documents in a separate section. The front pockets open easily and let me organize small things easily. I especially love the zippered back pocket because it keeps my phone secure even when I run. The water-resistant 1000D nylon fabric feels pretty strong as it holds up well after being dropped a couple of times and even stays dry under a drizzle. Since it is a lightweight bag, it adds no extra burden even when loaded up. I can wear it as a cross-body bag without feeling bulk, and it looks good for both casual and work. Number 2. ComfortTac Ultimate Fanny Pack Holster. ComfortTac is another gun gear fanny pack with a secure hold for a pistol for users to run and jump in various activities. Notably, this CCW fanny pack holds up while sweating and won't cause further irritation. I love the elastic holster that holds the gun inside the bag because it's pretty strong and compatible with guns 6.5 inches long max. Best of all, the holster is in a vertical position, increasing the speed of the draw. I can draw either my left or right hand quickly, which is ambidextrous. The construction is pretty outstanding, especially with the non-irritating 600D nylon fabric. This one has the best zippers because they're made of IC, which run pretty smoothly. Also, I found some padding inside the bag, enough to keep the gun scratch-free while I'm running. There are 2 magazine slots built inside the bag and some handy pockets at the front. I can fit plenty of stuff, including some plastic cards, a small multifunctional knife, and a phone. The best part of this bag is that the strap stays secure on my hip, no matter how hard I move or jump. Number 3. Creator Tactical Waist Pack. This military fanny pack from Creator holds up nicely in my daily life. I can fit a lot of survival gear into multiple pockets without being too bulky or heavy. This tactical waist pack offers 5 compartments, with the main providing 2 sections for my smartphone, multi-tool, and other gear. My 2 cameras fit just right into the side pockets, while the larger middle pocket stores my wallet securely. And the back pocket is a perfect place to store my documents. The 1000D nylon fabric is used to construct this sturdy bag for outdoor use. Best of all, it's waterproof, ensuring the safety of my electric devices from moisture damage. The adjustable strap holds the pack securely around my waist. And I love the silky cotton interior because it doesn't scratch on the surfaces of my devices. Also, this tactical lumbar pack can be worn in different ways, depending on the situation. For example, when I want quick access to my gear, it can stay on the front. And I move the bag onto my shoulder when it gets a little heavy. Number 4. Fanny Fanny Deployment Bag Tactical Pack. The Fanny deployment bag impresses me with its large capacity at a compact size. The bag has a maximum capacity of 5 liters, plus some more when using the MAL system. I can configure the pack to carry in many ways. Using the attachment points, I can make this bag as a chest pack or wear it as a fanny pack with its long strap. My favorite is the internal organization, as it holds my keys, wallet, smartphone, and more compact tools for hiking or camping. The 600D polyester fabric is as durable as any other Special Forces tactical fanny pack model. When I took the bag to go hiking, the zippers held well from the rugged environment. I like that the compartments are zippered because I don't have to worry about items falling down when jumping or running. This small tactical waist pack has plenty of loops and fixtures points to mount on the handlebars. Even on rocky roads, a few additional Velcro straps held the pack very still. For its quality, I'm impressed with the good price. Number 5. 5.11 Tactical Select Carry Pistol Pouch. The Select Carry Pistol Pouch comes in a compact size and secures fit around my waist. This 5.11 fanny pack is my favorite concealed carry holster due to its low-profile design with 2 extra pockets for accommodating 2 additional ammo. This pouch's main compartment measures 6.5 inches x 14 inches, thus fitting any standard small pistol. In detail, this pistol fanny pack fits my Glock 19 nicely, not too snug that it's hard to take the gun out. Using the hot pull tabs, I can access the gun within seconds in emergencies. Furthermore, I feel reassured that the concealed pistol stays secure inside the bag because the elastic bands hold it down pretty well. The construction seems to be excellent with this one. The 1050D nylon feels rugged with fully adjustable straps for a snug and comfortable fit around large waistlines. The compact design ensures that this tactical hip pack won't get in the way when I wear a winter jacket. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.